Hey, good afternoon, everybody. I am doing a quick um, show me video on how to access the files, a couple of different ways to access the files so that we can all be on the same page. I'm pretty sure everybody knows how to access their email by going through Office 365. So this is the web version of our email inbox. And at the very bottom of our Office 365, you'll see that we have groups here at the bottom. For our groups, obviously it's going to select GSLA team, and that's going to take you to our shared group area. So this is our GSLA team group page. This gives us the ability to do a couple of different things. We could do conversations for internal messaging here. If we wanted to actually set up an actual team site, we could do that. I would venture to say we'll probably end up using the file sharing here most frequently. There also is an opportunity for us to do a shared notebook and to have a shared calendar. This would mean when we record anything or if we send out a calendar invitation, we send it one place or add it to our team calendar, it would automatically go to all of our individual calendars. So that's an opportunity for us. I'm going to select the Files tab, and it's going to take you right now to unfiltered, unfoldered files that have been uploaded to our team page. So this is one way to access the files. If you are like me and you like things to really be categorized, this might not be the best view for you, although the files are available here. In order to see the files in a way that's categorized, you'll have to come up here to the 9 dots or 9 squares, and you're going to select SharePoint. SharePoint and then you're going to select GSLA team. SharePoint is Office 365's version of Dropbox plus some. So this is the place where you will be able to post different items. All of us will be able to do this. But most importantly, for the purpose of right now, our document folders are here. You see Tandy doing some calendar items right now. But our shared documents are here. You can access them two ways, either by clicking See All from here or by coming to the far left and selecting Documents. Both will take you to the same place. Once you select either one, you'll come to our shared file cabinet, our shared digital file cabinet. Right now, there are only 2 folders: the Aspiring Leaders Cohort, Principals Leadership Academy. And what I've done is just gone in and put information that is relevant, our August notes, the agenda from our last event, the PowerPoint for our last event. So this will give us a chance to share those documents that we're working on collectively. And so what I'll endeavor to do is once Tandy or Stacy send something out, I'll drop it into our shared folder, or you all can drop them into your shared folders. And that way we'll have instant access to them, be able to edit them instantly. If it's something that doesn't need to be touched, you can set for it not to be edited or to be locked, which is totally fine. So this is just a way for us to share information, to share documents, probably most importantly, as we are working all across the state. For those of you who are using the desktop, if for chance we start using the messages, they will automatically come up in your GSLA group, in your groups tab in your Microsoft Outlook. So there is some compatibility there if we start using the internal messaging feature, and it will automatically go to our inboxes. Okay, so that's the quick run through of GSLA Office groups. I've gotten rid of the teams. I think this will probably be a little bit smoother for us and a little bit easier to access instead of having to open a completely new program to share information. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'd be more than happy to help.